Hey there, have you ever wondered how companies keep their digital doors locked tight, ensuring only authorized folks sneak in? Well, as a senior cloud architect with years in the trenches of security, I'm here to unfold the mystery of conditional access in Microsoft Entra ID, a beacon in our modern battle against cyber threats. It's not a topic for the faint-hearted. It's an essential chess move in our grand strategy to protect corporate treasures, and I'm your guide in this deep dive. Let's start at the heart, the essence of conditional access in Microsoft Entra. Imagine you're in a fancy restaurant, but only diners wearing specific hats get seated, not because they lack good taste, but because they're guests playing by the rules. That's what conditional access does. It invites only those with a clear security passcode into the corporate dining hall. And here's where it gets thrilling. The criteria to earn this privilege isn't just your badge of identity but extends to where you've been, your device's trustworthiness, how likely you are to cause a ruckus, and even the time of day. Now, why such a robust gatekeeper? Because the threats are not just lurking shadows anymore but often sophisticated imitations, trying to blend in. Remember when I told you how security has evolved? Well, conditional access evolved right alongside, becoming a linchpin in our defensive arsenal, warding off attackers by making each access request to our secure apps undergo a thorough audit, the nitty-gritty of policies, location checks, and real-time risk evaluations before giving us the golden key. Moving out from the theory to application, this isn't just a set of rules, it's a live-and-forth exchange that happens seamlessly, a silent communication between apps and our guardians of access. It's a continuous verification, like having your baggage x-rayed every time you enter the airport with luggage, only, in our world, it's access rights to corporate tools and data. The real magic happens as conditional access empowers our security team to act with unison, ensuring that as the user tries to access our resources, we are not working in silos but a well-oiled security engine. Implementing this guardian of access can seem like a grand quest at first. It's not the work of an eye blink. Crafting accurate rules, setting the bar for risk tolerance, and aligning this marvel with various corporate tools is paramount. However, my fellow architects, with guidance like this, creating conditional access policies becomes less a Herculean task and more a journey of discovery into the intricacies of our digital realm. Each step, from identifying what resources we are protecting to defining the access conditions, is akin to mapping out the boundaries of our safeguarded lands. With time and patience, our digital frontiers become well-charted, safe havens within the perilous cyber seas. Troubles arise, as they do in any saga. Users may find themselves locked out, mistaking the security measures for the dragon's curse. Be ready to troubleshoot and communicate with empathy and clarity. Think of the concerned look on their faces as your chance to act as the wise wizard, not just an executor of security commands. As they navigate through their journey, providing the necessary spells, which could be knowledge or assistance, you become the bridge between order and chaos, a testament to trust in the system and respect for one's user experience. In conclusion, to master conditional access in Microsoft Entra ID, one must first understand its essence, embodying the role of a strategist, not just a protector. It's about striking the delicate balance between openness and security, where policies aren't just guidelines but narratives of protection and freedom. As senior cloud architects, we are not merely enforcers of rules but the guardians of digital realms, ensuring the flow of legitimate access while warding off unwanted interlopers. To be at the forefront, to keep abreast, and wield conditional access as a tool of great might, you'll find this knowledge. is invaluable. It's about understanding the dance between us and our digital territories, knowing when to let our guards down and when to raise them. Remember, in our domain, access to our secrets isn't bestowed lightly, but earned through the wisdom of policies enforceable to and from the heart. So before you venture further into the tempestuous sea of technology, ensure your sails are well prepared. For, as your guide, I'll be here to navigate these turbulent waters with you, steering toward safer shores and deeper understanding. Visit neeraj.dot.qz@io, become part of our knowledge exchange, and subscribe to TechLab, where our odysseys converge. And with that, let's unlock the doors to knowledge together, into a world where security and efficiency harmoniously coexist. Here's to leading the charge in mastering conditional access, a senior cloud architect. Let's soften the shadow of doubt and guide the way to a bastion of impenetrable security. After all, in this odyssey, we are not simply the ones with power, but the ones with responsibility to safeguard the future. So I implore you, let's advance, evolve, and innovate. Together, we'll continue to weave the fabric of our digital world stronger with each passing day. Visit neeraj.dot.qz@io to stay connected and subscribe to TechLab now before I bid adieu, as we forge ahead in the eternal quest for the pinnacle of cybersecurity mastery.